Today we are going to learn about Automate Environment Setup with Ansible. We will cover how to automate environment configuration using Ansible, including writing and applying Ansible playbooks to streamline your configuration process.
Welcome. In this video, we're diving into the world of Ansible, a powerful tool that can transform how you manage IT environments. Ansible is an open-source automation tool that simplifies environment setup by reducing manual errors and ensuring consistency across deployments. Imagine being able to deploy environments with a click of a button, ensuring every configuration is exact every time. Automation not only saves time but also reduces the possibility of human error, leading to more reliable and efficient systems. By the end of this video, you'll be well on your way to mastering Ansible for your environment setups.
Let's start by installing and configuring Ansible. First, ensure your system meets the requirements: a Unix-like operating system, Python 3.6 or newer, and access to root privileges. On a Linux machine, you can install Ansible using your package manager. For example, on Ubuntu, use sudo apt-get update followed by sudo apt-get install Ansible. Once installed, verify the installation by typing Ansible version in your terminal, which should display the installed version. Configuration involves setting up an Ansible control node, which will manage other nodes. Ensure your machine can SSH into these nodes, as Ansible relies on SSH for communication. You may need to adjust your SSH settings for smoother operations. These steps lay the groundwork for using Ansible effectively. Next, let's delve into Ansible's inventory and playbooks. Ansible's inventory is a file that lists all the machines you want to manage. Inventories can be in simple text files or dynamic scripts that generate lists of hosts. Each host can be grouped, allowing you to run tasks on groups instead of individual machines. Playbooks are the heart of Ansible, written in YAML format. They define a series of tasks that Ansible will execute on your inventory hosts. A playbook can manage configurations, deploy applications, and orchestrate tasks. Understanding how to structure both your inventory and playbooks is crucial for efficient environment management. By managing your inventory and structuring playbooks effectively, you can orchestrate complex deployments with ease. Writing your first Ansible playbook is an exciting step. Begin by creating a YAML file with a .yml extension. Start with 3 dashes at the top to indicate the beginning of a YAML document. The basic structure involves defining plays, which include hosts and tasks. Each task is a single action Ansible will perform, such as installing a package or editing a file. For instance, a task to install nginx might look like this: -name, install nginx package, name equals nginx state equals present. Once your tasks are defined, save and run the playbook using the command Ansible playbook your _playbook.yml. This will execute the tasks on the specified hosts. Writing playbooks becomes more intuitive with practice, enabling you to automate complex environment setups. Ansible roles allow for modular and reusable configuration management. Roles are essentially a set of tasks, variables, and files organized in a structured way. This modular approach promotes reusability and simplifies complex playbooks. A typical role has a directory structure with folders for tasks, handlers, templates, files, vars, and defaults. To create a role, use the Ansible Galaxy init role_name command, which automatically generates the necessary structure. To use a role in a playbook, simply include it by name. Roles can also have dependencies, allowing you to build complex configurations by stacking them. By using roles, you can break down your playbooks into manageable pieces, making maintenance and updates easier.
Applying Ansible playbooks to configure environments is where automation truly shines. Once your playbooks are ready, you can run them against any environment listed in your inventory. Ansible ensures each task is applied consistently across all targeted hosts, reducing manual errors. For example, setting up a web server involves installing necessary packages, configuring files, and ensuring services are running. With Ansible, this entire process is automated and repeatable. Run your playbook using Ansible Playbook playbook.yml, and watch as Ansible configures your environment seamlessly. This method ensures that each environment setup is identical, reducing discrepancies and potential issues in production. Ansible's automated approach saves time and ensures reliability in complex setups.
Integrating Ansible with your C/CD pipeline can further enhance automation. Continuous integration, C, and continuous delivery, CD, are practices that automate testing and deployment processes. By integrating Ansible, you can automate environment setup and application deployment as part of your pipeline. Tools like Jenkins, GitLab C, and Travis C can trigger Ansible playbooks as part of their workflow. This ensures that every code change is tested in a consistent environment and deployed smoothly to production. Ansible's idempotent nature ensures that running a playbook multiple times results in the same state, making it ideal for C/CD practices. This integration not only speeds up deployments but also increases reliability, allowing developers to focus on code quality and innovation. Even with automation, troubleshooting is an essential skill. Common issues may arise from syntax errors, incorrect inventory settings, or unreachable hosts. Ansible provides verbose output using the V flag, which helps in diagnosing problems. For deeper insights, use the VVV flag. Debugging tasks is crucial. Use the debug module to print variable values and execution paths. To optimize performance, consider using Ansible's pipelining feature, which reduces the number of SSH connections. Always ensure your playbooks are secure by managing secrets and sensitive data carefully, using tools like Ansible Vault. Following best practices such as clear naming conventions and modular playbook design can prevent many issues. By mastering these troubleshooting and optimization techniques, you can ensure smooth Ansible operations.
In conclusion, we've covered the essentials of automating environment setups with Ansible. From understanding the basics of inventory and playbooks to integrating with C/CD pipelines, you've gained valuable skills to enhance your IT operations. Ansible's automation capabilities can drastically reduce manual errors and ensure consistency across deployments, making it an indispensable tool for modern IT environments. As you continue your learning journey, consider exploring the Ansible documentation and community resources for further insights. Practice writing and applying playbooks to solidify your knowledge. Thank you for joining this session on Ansible, and happy automating.